Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Govin Sandrio, and I am a ninth grade student from Junior High School of Semen Padang. From now on, I want to read the story called Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evening. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound sing the beautiful hair of the princess, and she joined with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing to lullabies until sunrise. While people lived peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing, saying the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch cures again, and now remove all rose flower and petals from the kingdom. That's a story of Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. That's all from me and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.